Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add Selenium library in Eclipse full guide. Open Eclipse and create a Java project, then right-click the project, choose Build Path, and select Configure Build Path. Click Libraries, add external JARs, and pick your downloaded Selenium JAR files. Apply changes and close the dialog. Verify by importing org. OpenCA Selenium in a test class, and run a simple WebDriver example to confirm functionality and debug if needed. First, download the Selenium client JARs or use Maven to manage dependencies, whichever you prefer. If using manual JARs, extract the zip and note the location. Also download the matching browser driver like Chrome driver or Gecko driver and place it in a known path. Add both Selenium JARs and any dependency JARs to your project's build path. Finally, restart Eclipse if class path errors persist and run a sample test to confirm setup. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check prices and offers. Thanks for the support, it helps me make more clear tutorials. Enjoy the short pause and small break. Now let's get back to the video. In Eclipse, right-click the project and pick Build Path, then configure Build Path to open settings. Use Add External JARs to include Selenium and Dependency JARs, or choose Add Library for a Maven-managed class path. After adding, click Apply and Close to update the project configuration. Clean the project and rebuild if imports still show errors. Run a quick WebDriver script to ensure imports resolve, and the browser launches successfully without manual steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.